Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is 12 minus 2 bracket 12 minus 2. It looks simple, but still many people fail to solve it. Why? Because 12 minus 2, 10, 12 minus 2, 10 and 10 times 10, 100. They write it like this, which is the incorrect answer because they did not follow the right approach. When you have given multiple operation, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. So comment down below in your country what you called it. So here, if first you have to solve the P, that is parenthesis, if given like this. Here bracket is given, then exponent, then multiplication, division. Both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So here parenthesis is this, so that is 12 minus 2, which is 10. Now write the rest term like this. So 12 minus 2, and there is no sign between number and the bracket, then you have to put multiplication. Now what are the two operations left? Subtraction and multiplication. Now come again to PEMDAS rule. So in multiplication and subtraction, we have to give priority to multiplication. So the multiplication sign is between 2 and 10. So 2 times 10 is 20. So 12 minus 20 is minus 8. So what is the correct answer? Minus 8, not 100. I hope it's clear and you find something new. If you like it and find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.